Hello everybody, John Master here. Snapon Friday. Finally got some more handles. I got the 2 quarters and the 2 3/8, and my dealer was able to get this one off for me, but he wasn't able to press this on right away because I have to drill it out because this used to be a comfort. So I had to drill this one out when I switched it to a comfort. And the other 3/8, he couldn't get it off with his handle changer because it's too stubby of a ratchet. And then I got the boot showed up for the 761. So now that'll stay protected. The only thing I noticed is it covers up the battery life indicator, as you can see, but it's a nice boot. Got me High-vis, like I like, so I'll show you how I'm getting the handle off the other pink ratchet. So we got the water heating up, and we're just going to heat up the handle, get her nice and hot, and it should slide right off of there, hopefully. Seen another guy do this online, so you don't have to hack and bang this thing up and ruin your handle, because this pink handle ain't bad. It's a little faded, but we'll heat it up in here, see if it'll slide off. So there you have it. It literally just pulled right off. I put a towel over it and it just pulled right off of this 3/8. So it used to be like that, you know, stubby, and it's going to get, and it faded it even more. Interesting. Whatever. If anyone wants this pink handle, maybe I'll sell it to you. Maybe I left it in there a little too long, I don't know. But it's off. And it's hot, because I left it in there for probably 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the High-vis handle on it straight. Unlike Snap-on, how a lot of ratchets they put on cockeyed, I don't know why. There's the hard handle that's going on it. And some people like putting a step bigger, a bigger handle on it, which I could understand, but I like just the stock size for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get this on and we'll see what it looks like. And then I'm going to have to drill out this one just a little bit, like I did on this one. Maybe you can see the difference if I turn the light on. So you can see the inside of that one is drilled out a little bit more. See how it tapers down in there? On this one I had to drill it out more because this ratchet was originally a comfort grip. So it's thicker shafted, I guess. It doesn't taper down like it's supposed to. So we'll see if we can get these on, and we'll show you the finished product, I guess. There it is. Just perfect. So sitting like this, it was flush. I just lined her up, pushed it on by hand as far as I could, and then I started with this guy, tapped her on. So I put the towel down. Wait, I want like this, straight down. Put the towel down, smacked here, used the dead blow, High-vis, and didn't do any damage to it. And then the last like 1/4 of an inch was pretty tight, so I switched to the old 32 ounce. Went from the 16 to the 32. Just 2 hits and it was done. So that's pretty sharp. It's all cleaned up. Swapped her from pink to High-vis. Pink's kind of ugly. I don't like it anymore. And it fades weird. My pink screwdrivers faded. You leave them in the sun for a couple hours and they fade. Weird color, but I did like the teal. This will get saved and maybe get put on another ratchet for at work, but the home set's going to have all High-vis. So I'll go ahead and get one of these drilled out to the same size as this, and I'll get that swapped for you guys. We'll take a look at it. Let me get that done real quick. There it is. the long flex head quarter. You guys have seen this one, super long flex head quarter. And the stubby flex head 3/8, all high-vis. Plus the other high-vis stuff I got up in the box, the stash, the 1/2 inchers, and the other 3/8 fixed heads. But anyway, that's the stuff I got today. Nothing crazy, just some handles and then a boot for this guy. First time using these bad boys. Pretty nice. And I got to use my drill again, my new drill, the Atomic. And it's smooth, man. It's really smooth. Got a Milwaukee Cobalt drill bit on here I used to drill. And what I did is I just ran this drill bit in the old handle, the turquoise one, and then took a red marker and marked how deep it would go. And then I drilled out the new handle to the size, the depth I needed it. Because keep in mind, this ratchet used to be a rubber handle, so I ordered a hard handle for a hard handle ratchet. We have to modify the handle to make it fit to a soft grip ratchet because the shank's longer in here and it's thicker, so you gotta do some modifications. But anyway, it looks pretty good, pretty straight. And this one's actually a little bent. It's old. It's got some mileage on it. And this one I just noticed today, the pin's freaking backing out of it, so I gotta tighten that up. He had a set of the 4-piece set of the mini torque screwdrivers in High-vis. I almost picked those up today, but they're $70, and I already have tons of that kind of stuff. But it was High-vis. But if I had those right now, I'd use it to tighten this sucker up. But I don't know. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have a great weekend. Bye.